Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big step.
Day 4 of our countdown to June 1st. And let me just say this.
I think it's day 5.
Nobody has, I think it's day 6, meaning 4 days left.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, okay.
All right, sorry.
So we're all
wrong. Day 6, meaning there's only 4 days left on our countdown to June 1st. And let me just say this. I have not yet seen a correct guess. I know there's gonna be some people disappointed out there, but I haven't seen a single correct guess. Is that crazy?
Yeah, it's
With
pretty
such
crazy.
a big announcement, a big secret, and nobody knows?
This is really fun. I love that we're pulling up some footage from the archives.
Go!
Wonderful G family history that I want to remember for forever.
And you know what? I think I hope that one of the takeaways from us doing this is people are seeing like these videos, these memories can just die in your phones, die in your computers. Yeah. Eventually they'll get lost. And so for us to take the time to like edit them, document them, and then put them in a situation where we'll be able to forever treasure them means a lot as a parent.
The thing I love about this group of friends that we have is everyone is each other's biggest fans. No matter what we're doing.
Just hype man each other to the max.
Never an ounce of negativity, just 100% loves and supports one another. And I honestly...
Especially our kids. Okay, so on this trip, each of the kids had their goal. Manilla, he wanted to do his belly roll trick. I don't know how to explain it, we'll just show it.
Get it!
Oh, go for it! He's up! Stay low, stay low! That's looking good. Oh, he's up. Okay. I was happy. Dorothy, we set up this challenge where I wanted to take like the selfie GoPro stick and like gift it to Dorothy while she was mid-surf.
She did it.
She nailed it. Cali, we were practicing getting Cali up by himself. He did it a few times, and then I just wanted to have fun with him, so I put him on my shoulders, and we did our circus act.
How long are you gonna surf with Cali in your arms?
I was watching that footage and being like, I'm for sure gonna do it this year because it might be my last.
It might be your last. Kid's getting giant.
Okay, go. On the line. Nice, on the line. Ooh. I think you ought to fall on that one because it was barely off. Try again. You're going, hit it. That was pretty good.
All right, Cali, you're up, bub. Remember where your feeties are, okay, Cali?
Yeah, dude! Oh my. Oh, yeah! Nice, yeah! Oh, There's the board. There you go. There you go. Okay, now pop up. All right. Yeah, stay in the middle. Stay in the middle. Stay in the middle. Oh, good job, buddy. Good job, dude. Good job.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Three small footprints in the sand, smallest one still hesitating, till their courage comes along, growing stronger than the tree, standing tall beside the shore, teaching me what life is for. Time is like the water flowing past our fingers, past our days, but these moments keep on showing how they're changing in new ways.
Until tomorrow.
How has nobody guessed it?